Hi, this is Stephen here with a quick demo of the Share Navigator EquityScan tool. So the EquityScan tool comes with three distinct features. First of all, you've got the EquityScan itself, where we'll show you that now in a moment. You can create market watch lists, and you can create your own dashboard. You can control the amount of cash, and you can add stocks to and from. So we'll go through each of those now in a moment. So let's start off with the EquityScan feature. So as you can see there, it's pulling in live data at the moment for over 600 companies, the biggest companies traded on both the European and the US stock markets. Now, before we go on, if there's a company that you're looking for that's not part of our list here, of our EquityScan list, go into the chat area in the bottom right hand corner and ask us to add that, and we will add it within 24 hours. So at this moment, the database contains about 621 stocks. So when you come down here to EquityScan, it's automatically sorted at this moment in time by market cap, which is basically the size of the company. So Nvidia at this moment in time, it's the biggest company in the world, worth over $5 trillion. You can get a quick link to a chart there if you wish. It tells you what exchange it's traded on, the current price, the current dividend yield, if any. And then we have two target prices, the Share Nav target price and the analyst target price. The Share Nav target price is the Share Navigator target price for that stock over the next 18 to 24 month period. The analyst target price is the average target price for the next 12 months based on the average analyst expectation. Now, first and foremost, we would stress that you do not jump out and buy stocks just based on these target prices. Let's talk about our target price just for a moment. That's comprised of an algorithm that looks at the future sales and earnings expectations for the company going forward. And it also takes into account other factors too. And what this does is gives us a target price based on metrics of expected earnings into the future. And that's how we get to this target price. But a company may not achieve its forecasted earnings or forecasted sales going forward. So you need to do more due diligence. You'll see over here, you've got this upside potential here. And it's telling us that roughly 36% upside with Nvidia based on the Share Nav target price. So again, we would ask you to go and do further investigation into Nvidia. So what we use this for in Share Navigator, and this is the benefit of the community, is if there's a stock you like out of EquityScan here, type into the chat area here and we can discuss it together at our Thursday meetings. And that's where you get the collective benefit of the whole community plus the Share Navigator team. So this is like a starting point, this upside potential here for you to investigate the stock further. So as I said, this list is automatically sorted by market cap. You could go in and type in individual name here. So let's say for argument's sake, you're interested in Intel, type in Intel, and you'll get the results here for Intel. You can see it has 3% downside. So maybe you're not interested in looking into that. You could also come in here and sort by high to low. For example, it's only going to spit out from the highest in terms of upside potential right down to the lowest. And again, you can go through each and every company there. You can decide if there's some there that you resonate with and you might want to investigate further. So remember, this is the point where we're trying to make it easy and quick for you to screen, get rid of the rubbish and look for stuff that has big upside potential, but it doesn't necessarily mean it's a buy just yet. That's where you do your own investigation or investigate with the Share Navigator community. The next area here is your market watch list. So this is where you can add watch lists. Here you can add as many stocks as you want from the EquityScan database here. You just type in whichever you want here. If we wanted to add Intel, for example, we can just click on Intel, add to watch list. And there we go. Intel is now on a watch list as well. Now we can edit the node in here. For example, we can put in target prices to the upside. Maybe we want the system to tell us when it gets to 110. Or maybe we want it, if it dropped down to 80, please let us know. And you can create your own little bit of commentary in there if you want and click on Save Settings. When the target is reached, you'll get this sign here that says Target Reach. But you'll also get a WhatsApp if you wish, or a text message if you wish, that will alert you as to when your target prices have been reached. So that's a cool feature there in our market watch list. The next one is our portfolio dashboard. Now you can see here, we've got one active portfolio up here. So this is where you go to build your portfolio. Now this is going to be great for people, not only if you're just, new to investing and you want to get used to creating portfolios, but also people who've got existing portfolios with other brokers. Maybe you've got 10 different brokerage accounts all over the world. You can pretty much bring them all in under here and recreate the same scenario and see how you're doing. And also what this will do then is will amalgamate all the data and show you, whether you're overexposed in one area or not. So it's really cool that way. So you could come in here and click new portfolio. So let's call this new portfolio, or we'll call it test number 2. And we click on create portfolio. So automatically you'll see here you're being given $50,000. You can change that if you want. So if we come down here to our positions here, we click on manage cash, and maybe we want to withdraw 20,000 to bring it down to 30. There you go. That's our starting capital. So that can replicate maybe what you intend to put into the market or what you already have in existing portfolios. So then we can start going and adding in positions if we want. So you can do that in a number of different ways. We could click on add position from here. So let's say again, we're going to add, maybe we've got some NVIDIA shares there. So it's going to bring up NVIDIA. You're going to have to type in the quantity that you own. So let's say you had bought 12 shares, and then you can type in the share price that you bought it on average at. Now, if you're adding this new and you're starting afresh, just type in the current price of NVIDIA at that moment in time. You can also change it to the date. So let's again say you're trying to replicate a portfolio you have. You could go back in time here and go, oh, I bought that back in 2024. And then the final thing, you type in the sector. And again, you can put in your alerts here if you wish. Click on save position. So we'll just click on save, and we can see here we've got NVIDIA in the portfolio there. And it's telling us, it'll bring in our target price and what the percentage upside here as well. Now, if you wanted to go and sell NVIDIA now based on, whatever price it is, you could go and say, okay, the price that maybe you've done a portfolio before and you've sold stocks, you can put that in here. But it will default here when you do that to the current price if you just decide to sell it right now, or you can dictate the price that it was sold at. So that's just a very quick overview. Some really other features here just to you can get a total breakdown of your holdings there by portfolio. You can look at whatever you'd closed in the past for a profit or a loss. And then you can get an AI market. So an AI market here will actually go and analyze your portfolios and tell you what the risk factors are and what you may or may not want to do. So that's all incorporated in the EquityScan tool here. Takes a bit of time there to analyze the portfolios, but it will come back with a numerical value for you. You can also, so you can see here, it's telling us our portfolio is high risk. We might need to do whatever. So a discounted cash flow, and it'll tell you exactly what you need to do there. So if you wanted to go back to where our courses are, you can click on just back to the portal and go into your dashboard, and you're back into where our courses are on the left-hand side, and some of our other features and tools here that you have. Okay, that's a very brief tutorial on how to get the best out of the EquityScan Builder. If you have any questions, please go to the WhatsApp area or go to our website and have a chat with us. Thanks, and bye for now.